Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with the BLCKTEC 420 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. If you're on the hunt for the best value OBD2 scanner on the market, you're in the right place. The BLCKTEC 420 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is a game-changer for DIYers and mechanics alike. Packed with advanced features and backed by rave reviews, this scanner is a must-have for anyone looking to diagnose and repair their vehicle with ease. Let's talk about what sets the BLCKTEC 420 apart from the competition. First up, effortless diagnosis and repair. This scanner goes beyond just reading and clearing engine codes. It provides live data, battery and alternator tests, and detailed code severity levels, giving you the full picture of your vehicle's health. But what really makes the BLCKTEC 420 shine is its top-rated app. Pair the scanner with our exclusive app for comprehensive diagnostics and verified fixes by ASE-certified technicians. Whether you're an iOS or Android user, this app has you covered with premium features like maintenance schedules, dealer recalls, and technical service bulletins. And let's talk compatibility. The BLCKTEC 420 supports 1996 and newer OBD2 compliant vehicles across brands and regions. Plus, language support in English, Spanish, and French ensures no detail is lost in translation. And here's something special. The BLCKTEC 420 is designed and supported right here in the USA. With unmatched customer support and product expertise from local master technicians, you can trust that you're getting the best of the best. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about the BLCKTEC 420. From its ease of use to its performance and accuracy, this scanner has earned praise across the board. So there you have it, folks. The BLCKTEC 420 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. With its advanced features, top-rated app, unrivaled compatibility, and stellar customer reviews, it's clear why this scanner is the best value on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews just like this one. Until next time, happy scanning!